So what I've come up with so far is what I'm doing here. After I load a potato in, so the potato's sealed here, so the chamber's sealed, that cap is loosened. So I'm doing a pre-purge with pure mixed, air mixed propane, right, from a torch, right? So this stuff, it has the correct amount of air. Air is getting sucked in here, it gets mixed. So the percentage of air to propane is very accurate there. So I'm basically doing a 5-second purge, blowing some propane and air mixture in there, sealing, and then I'm doing a double injection. So this is pure propane. So now we inject the pure propane in there. We do that twice. Oops. There we go. And we seal that up. And that seems to be, so far I'm going to experiment with how many cc's I'm going to be putting in there of pure propane after I purge with a propane and air mix. But that shot the potato probably 300 feet, probably at least 100 yards, probably more than that. At least 100 yards. It went, you know, out to the end of my clearing out there, which is a pretty good poke. So I'm still working on it. I'll keep you updated. Thanks. Well, folks, I'm still trying to figure out what the proper gas charge is here. So here's another test shot. See if it'll show up on the camera. Went pretty good.